Hey, what's up you guys? I'm going to show you how I made this delicious fresas con crema. For the ingredients, all you need are some fresh strawberries, cleaned and washed, some sweet and condensed milk. Also, you're going to need cinnamon or sugar. I used the one that had both of them in it, or if you don't want cinnamon, you can just use sugar or powdered sugar or vanilla. Also, you're going to need some sour cream and some whipped cream, and that is all you need. Okay, to start off, you're going to want to cut the top of the strawberries off, and then you want to flip them upside and then cut them into four, just straight down the middle, and then flip them straight down the middle. You want to cut them all up. And for this video, I'm only making a cup, so obviously you're going to make more. Than for the ingredients, you're going to want to use like the same amount. So if you use a cup of sour cream, you're going to want to use a cup of sweet condensed milk. So yeah, just even out the portions. Now to make the crema part, you're just gonna mix the sour cream and the sweet condensed milk. So for this 1 cup, I used 2 spoons of the sour cream and then 2 spoons of the sweet condensed milk. I mixed them together, and as you mix them, they're gonna get a lot. It's gonna get a lot thinner because it starts off really thick and then it gets thinner. And then you add in your optional stuff. So if you want to add in some cinnamon or some sugar, some vanilla, I ended up adding obviously all of them. I used the cinnamon sugar. I put that in there because I personally like sugar and cinnamon. And later on, I also was curious on how vanilla tasted, so I also added the vanilla in it. And honestly, it tasted kind of the same. I don't know. It tasted good. Now to decorate the cup, you're gonna do a layer of strawberries, a layer of the crema, and then a layer of whipped cream, and then just repeat that. And for the top part, I just added whipped cream, and then I sprinkled on some sugar and cinnamon, and I ended up adding more later on. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.